best ever vegan butter chicken recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of soy curls or tofu, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 3 tomatoes, pureed, 1/4 cup of vegan butter, 1/4 cup of cashews, soaked, 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of vegan yogurt, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of ginger, grated, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions: soak soy curls or prepare tofu according to package instructions. In a blender, combine cashews and coconut milk and blend until smooth. In a pan, melt vegan butter and sauté onions until golden brown. Add garlic and ginger, sauté until fragrant. Stir in the garam masala, cumin, turmeric, and chili powder. Pour in pureed tomatoes, tomato paste, and the cashew coconut mixture. Cook until the sauce thickens, then add vegan yogurt. Add soy curls or tofu and simmer until heated through. Season with salt and pepper and garnish with fresh cilantro. I have left the recipe for this best ever vegan butter chicken recipe in the video description. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more vegan and gluten-free recipes.